Alright, Max, I'm just going to do a quick video here, probably several videos because it'll be too big before it's all done, but I'm just going to run through a simple part for you. Maybe it'll help you. Hopefully it'll help you. Just open up a new file. This is the dimensions of the actual stock. I just made this one 4 inches wide, 4 inches long, 1/8 of an inch thick. You hit next. Check all that stuff. I usually don't mess with any of this stuff. I just adjust my feed rates accordingly, but it's going to be aluminum, I'm assuming, so we're just going to hit next. You don't have a 4th axis or a 5th axis, so next. Setup name, you can name it whatever you want. I just leave it. Hit next. This is one you need to do. You want to align the stock to the face. So click up here, click that, and you'll see this piece of stock right here. So you click next, and it'll let you pick where you want this guy to be. And you want this to be usually on the bottom left corner for most stuff that's rectangular or square. So what you want to do is just click lower left, and it puts it right there. Then you click next, and you're probably not going to run any offsets at this point. This is just a very simple, basic way to get something cut. Okay, so click next, and that's pretty much it. You're finished. Okay. So whenever you get ready to index your part in before you actually run the program, you're going to index off of your lower left corner as normal for most things. So yeah, your stock properties, that's all done. You can go back and change that stuff if you need to, but that's done. So next you want to draw some shit. Alright, this is geometry. Click on that. We want to draw a circle. I typically use this first one here, which is basically you input the radius of the circle and where you want the center point to be, and it's pretty simple. I mean, you can do it a multitude of different ways. This is the different ways that you can do it. But for this really simple example here, we're going to click on that, and down here at the bottom you can see you got the radius numbers and where you want the X, Y, Z to be centered, where you want the circle to be centered essentially. Just for example here, we're going to do a 1 inch radius, which would be a 2 inch diameter circle, and I want it centered of this 4x4 plate, so I'm going to do X is going to be 2.0, Y is going to be 2.0, and then you just go over here and you hit create. Bam, you got a 2 inch circle right in the center of your plate. Okay, this is just a drawing now. This has nothing to do with the actual milling time. Alright, now you want to cut the outline of this thing. Just say whatever the dimensions are on it. So that's going to be the next thing we're going to do. I'm going to pause this video so I can start another one.